I-BMA ithi kulindeleke ukuba zehle izibalo zabantu abangena kulempelasonto njengoba abaningi sebebuyela emsebenzini nasey'koleni.
This might be the last batch of the people who are crossing now. But now I've tried to engage my counterpart on the Zimbabwean side to check whether maybe there might be light vehicles or buses coming down this side. They just told me that we might anticipate more cars coming down this side because most of the factories are opening tomorrow here in South Africa.
Lolu phiko oluqapha imingcele luthi alinawo amandla okubopha abazama ukungena kuleli ngaphandle kwamaphepha agunyaziwe. Yingakho uma bebuyiselwa eZimbabwe baphinde babuye bazame ukungena eNingizimu Afrika.
If we can be given more powers of arresting, because normally here with the Zimbabweans, we just take them back to Zimbabwe. Then when they arrive in Zimbabwe, it seems as if they are not being dealt with. They have been coming back. Immediately when you arrived here, sometimes you'll be deporting one person, maybe 4 to 5 times in a day. If we can be given powers that, okay, immediately when we find such person, and then we can take the person and then in the court of law, then the person can be sentenced for coming into South Africa illegally.
Kwabaphindiselwe eZimbabwe namhlanje ngesikhathi bezama ukungena kuleli ngesikepe kukhona umndeni owodwa okubala kuwo nengane.
Cross border because asilama passport siya ekufeni kuyengcwaba umama washona. So sibe sihamba ngeganga ukuthi lathi sithole ukuthi sichaphe ngesikepe siye eZimbabwe. Imali zokuthi sithathe ama passport asile asikabi lazo. Le passport yangikhona engane yadura lezi nsuku. So that's why sibona ukuthi abanye sibona iroad ihamba ngabanye saphonga ulandela leyo ndlela lathi sathutshela emfuleni ukuthi sithole ukucrossa lathi.
Bangaphezulu kweinkulungwane ezingama-25 abantu abangene kulempelasonto njengoba amaholide asehlobo eseyanga semaphethelweni. Iphathimandla emngceleni iBeitbridge zinxuse uhulumeni ukuba uyilekelele ngokulungisa uthango kulomngcele njengoba kuyilona olusetshenziswa kakhulu yigilamkhuba ezigcina ziphumelelile ukungena kulelizwe.